morning. Well, it's not morning. I just didn't have a morning where I talked much, so I wanted to pretend that this was morning. So just pretend that the sun isn't right above me and there isn't a lot of people standing around. Not doing much today. We're gonna go see a movie. Well, we're gonna go see a movie, but Jack was all excited to see it, but the movie theater quit playing it, so we ended up going to the mall. It was a pretty good day. Here's how it went.
Hell yeah!
Go-kart goofing. That's Curtis. Curtis is he's a builder from Indiana. Decided to meet us down here. We're gonna Rubbin's racing, boy. What? That was worse than mountain bike. Beads are way better than that. And you're on the air.
Today's snowy. And you know how cold it is when snowing. And you can...
Here, I'll do it. I'll show you how it's done. But as things warm up, expect more snow, especially later on in the week. Last night's storm blew in fast. Some folks in the viewing area got slammed with more than 6 inches of snow.
Teleprompter's a little slow. All you see is more people shoveling, clearing the driveways and sidewalks. Folks, please be safe and don't get outside unless you absolutely have to. Terrible cold front coming in here. There's more snow to come, so be careful, especially on the roads and bridges. They can get icy in the morning heat.
This is J-Ham signing off. You know how white we are? We still go to malls. That's how white I am. What'd you get, Jack?
A guitar.
You gonna make a lot of money with that?
No.
Oh, come on, go famous. Come on, be the next Taylor Swift. Something like this, the first thing I ever started videoing on, my mom had one of these. It was Magnavox. And she got the new handheld one, but I took this one. I remember going down to the creek, filming with one of these. I wish I could find those tapes. That was awesome. What is your favorite part about camping?
The train.
We haven't even been on the train yet. What has been your favorite thing you've done this trip?
Jump.
Jump on that big balloon?
Uh-huh.
And spending time with your favorite daddy in the world? I figured that was it. Show me your guitar. You like it? Cool. Love you.
Love you.
goody vlog.
Jesus.
Wait, can I be the closeout?
Sure.
All right, that's gonna conclude.
If you know what number it is, if you get the number wrong, it can't be in
All
there.
right, I know it's past 100. All right.
Well, no kidding.
167.
It's 316.
That's gonna conclude for today's
Conclude.
vlog. Conclude for today's vlog. Like, comment, subscribe.
And that's the bottom line, because Stone Cold said so.